Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to go over how to get an API key in ChatGPT. So this is very easy to do. What you're going to want to do first is go over to Google, and once you're in Google you're going to want to search platform ChatGPT. So let's just get that in Google, and then it's going to be this one here, the OpenAI API overview. So we're just going to click that and then it'll take you to your dashboard. So yeah, we just have to log in at the top right corner. Okay, so you can sign in with both Google, Microsoft, and Apple, by the way. So I already have an account, so let's just get the information put in and continue. And then once you're logged in, you're going to be taken back to your AI chat. And then go at the bottom and you'll see API keys right here. And by the way, if you don't see API keys, you just go up to your dashboard and you'll be able to find it right on the left just as well. So yeah, once you're in the API keys section, you're just going to want to create a new key. And just for example, we're just going to call it test and keep it on default. And yeah, so you just click on create the key, and that's everything. So I hope this video really helped you guys out, and if it did, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for future tutorials. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.